Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva for video templates and edits, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL www.canva.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will see options for logging in. If you have an email and password, click on the email option. Enter your email address in the provided field. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. If you prefer using Google or Facebook, select the appropriate button. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in with your Google or Facebook account. After logging in, you will be directed to your Canva dashboard. To access video templates, click on the Templates tab in the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Video section. Browse through the available video templates. Click on a template that interests you. This will open the template in the editing interface. You can now customize your video template with text, images, and music. Use the toolbar on the left to add elements as needed. When you're satisfied with your edits, click the download button at the top right. Choose your preferred file format. Your video will now be processed and downloaded to your device. You have successfully logged into Canva and edited a video template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.